it's Steffi, the trad wife who does it all. Welcome back to another episode of Hustling and Homemaking. In today's video, I am going to make the quickest strawberry jam recipe that I could find on the internet, and it only takes 3 ingredients. Because to be quite honest, I ain't got time for canning. The ingredients you will need for our strawberry jam recipe are 1 pound of strawberries. You can use frozen strawberries, but just let them thaw, or else you'll have to cook them for a longer period of time. 1.5 cups of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. First, you're going to wash and slice the strawberries, making sure to remove the hulls and green tops. Add the strawberries to a saucepan and mix the sugar in well. Stir continuously over medium heat and bring the strawberries to a boil. I'm actually going to use a potato masher to help this process along, just to get the strawberries more smushed. Once boiling, you add the lemon juice in. Boil for about 15 minutes or until the jam reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And definitely remember to stir often to make sure the jam doesn't burn. George is waiting very patiently. Hi, George. Hi, Mom. And it's already done. Pour it into a jar and let it cool. You can refrigerate this jam for about 2 weeks. I'm gonna try it. Wow. I hope you all enjoyed my strawberry jam making video today. Please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And as always, be free.